Dear friends, welcome to all of you. Understand the purpose of these video lessons. The purpose of these video lessons is to remove the fear phobia of mathematics from the children. For that, two areas I am focusing. One area is to understand the interrelation between the topics what they are learning. They are learning numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers. They are learning algebraic expressions, quadratic equations. They are learning about squares, rectangles, how they are interconnected. That is one aspect. Second aspect is to develop their thinking skills. Mathematics can be learned only by thinking. Any amount of listening, any amount of reading will not help much. They have to do it themselves. They have to think and visualize what they are doing. Then they start appreciating the mathematics subject. In the next video, one of the previous videos I have shown about my teaching practices. One area is to retain their attention, developing their awareness levels. Another area is to develop their thinking skills. To develop the thinking skills, I have given various tips: multiplication with 11, mastering the tables, finding the square of a number ending with digit 5. In my previous videos, you can see. In the next video, I will show something to develop the thinking skills. So, whenever you sit with the child, the first you have to practice the awareness, try to develop their levels of awareness. Then second aspect, give some question, like ask what is 17 18s, what is 175 square, 185 square, like that some problem where the student has to think and tell. So once he develops the thinking skills, he will become fast and accurate in calculations. So he should be able to read and understand and calculate it quickly. Then he will be successful in mathematics. Now, to establish the relation between these three, we have taken yesterday the two numbers plus 5 and minus 9 we have taken. Now we will interchange. Now here negative number is bigger number I have taken, positive number smaller number I have taken. Now if I take smaller number as negative, bigger number as positive, let us see what happens. Now as usual, I will call them as roots. Then sum of the roots I will calculate. Minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4. Whenever they have opposite signs, we take the difference between these two numbers. Difference of 5 and 4, 9 is 4. Because the bigger number is plus, answer will get plus. And product of roots, when you multiply them, minus 5 plus 9, 5 9s are 45, and because they are the opposite signs, minus and plus, when they are opposite, the product is always minus. And the standard quadratic equation we have seen as x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation. In place sum of the roots, you substitute plus 4. In place product of the roots, you substitute minus 45. Then this becomes x square minus sum of the roots, we have plus 4 of x plus product of the roots, we have minus 45 is equal to 0. And x square plus into minus, opposite signs, and we are taking the product minus into plus. If they are different, our product will always be minus 4x. Plus into minus is minus 45. Now let us see the geometrical understanding of these two terms, x square minus 4x. If I draw a square here, if the side is x, so this is x. Area of this square is x square. So this term x square represents this square. Now 4x. So if I take, so this is already x, so this is 4x. So this is a rectangle whose one side is 4, the other side is x, therefore this is 4x. In the last video, here it is plus, that means we are adding this. Now here this is minus, and minus 45. Now let us see, from this x square we have to take out this, we have to subtract. So that means this is, if you make this into two equal strips, say this is 2 and this is 2. Now we have, say for example, a cloth of this much size. We have a cloth of this much size, say this is x and this is x square. From this cloth we have to cut a portion equal to 2 pieces, that is 4x. The first piece you take, so from here I am cutting, so 2. So this much portion if I cut out, take out from this cloth, what remains is this. So that means, so this is x minus 2. So this length is x minus 2, this is x. What remains is this. So one strip, this 2x we have taken out, and one more strip we have to take out. So we need this much piece also. If you take out that much piece here, it becomes a rectangle. What remains is a rectangle. Okay, then it will not help us to solve the quadratic equation. What remains should be a square. That means like this we have to take out. So another piece, if you cut it from here, but we have the cloth up till here only, so this portion is not there. So this piece, so we have taken out this, but this is coming extra, which is not there, but we need this piece. So this we will cut out from here. So that means I will show it here. We had the rectangle. So this is x minus 2 and this is x. From this another piece we need, that means we need a piece of like this. But we have only this much, but this is not there. So this small portion we will take it from this corner. So that this means this much we will cut. So what remains will become like this. So this x square minus 2x is an incomplete square. This is x minus 2, this is x minus 2. So this portion, so in order to complete this square, this 2 into 2 square we should add. So that means, so a small portion 2 into 2 square, if you add to this, so this becomes a complete square, 2 square. So this becomes x minus 2 whole square. We have completed the square, x minus 2 whole square. How this 2 square geometrically we have seen. Let us see algebraically. Add 49. So this is the equation we have. Add 49 on both sides. This side x square. 4x is minus 2 times 2x. Minus 45 plus 49. is plus 4 is equal to 49. So this becomes x square minus 2 into 2x plus 2 square is equal to 7 square. So using a minus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, this becomes x minus 2 whole square is 7 square, which can be written as x minus 2 is equal to minus 7 or x minus 2 is equal to plus 7. So if you take this 2 this side, minus 2 becomes plus 2, x is equal to minus 7 plus 2, which is equal to minus 5. And here if you take this 2 this side, x is equal to plus 7 plus 2, x is equal to plus 9. These are the numbers what we have started with, minus 5 and plus 9. You look here, we need a piece of this. From this we have to cut these two strips. These two strips we have cut. Because this is coming 2 times, from this corner we are taking. So then this becomes the incomplete square. To complete this square, we are adding 2 square. So dear friends, using the same thing like how I have done here, you can take color papers and do the activity yourself. Now you can take some more set of integers and do the problems like this. Do it yourself and verify. Any 2 integers you can take and do all this. In the next video, I will show on the simplification skills. Suppose if you have 175 square, how do we do it? So these simplification skills helps you to develop your thinking skills. Thank you very much for watching this video.